Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for daily dictations on different topics. So get ready. We embarked upon the decision of the question of priority between the code and the Muslim personal law on the assumption that there was a conflict between the two, because insofar as it lies in our power, we wanted to set at rest once for all the question whether Section 125 would prevail over the personal law of the parties in cases where they are in conflict. Stop para. The question as to whether Section 125 of the Code applies to Muslims also is concluded by two decisions of this court. Stop. Those decisions took the view that the divorced Muslim wife is entitled to apply for maintenance under Section 125. Stop. But a bench was inclined to the view that those cases are not correctly decided. Stop. Therefore, they referred this appeal to a larger bench. Stop para. It is contended on behalf of the appellant that the proceedings of the Rajya Sabha when the bill which led to the Code of 1973 was on the anvil would show that the intention of Parliament was to leave the provisions of the Muslim personal law untouched. Stop para. It does appear that the government did not desire to interfere with the personal law of the Muslims through the Criminal Procedure Code. Stop. It wanted the Muslim community to take the lead and the Muslim public opinion to crystallize on the reforms in their personal law. Stop. However, we are not concerned with the question whether the government did or did not desire to bring about changes in the Muslim personal law by enacting sections 125 and 127 of the code. Stop. As we have said earlier and as admitted by the minister, the government did introduce such a change by defining the expression wife to include a divorced wife. Stop. It also introduced another significant change by providing that the fact that the husband has contracted marriage with another woman is a just ground for the wife's refusal to live with him. Stop. The provision contained in section 127 within bracket 3 within bracket B may have been introduced because of the misconception that dower is an amount payable on divorce. Stop. But that cannot convert an amount payable as the mark of respect for the wife into an amount payable on divorce. Stop para. It is a matter of deep regret that some of the interveners who supported the appellant took up an extreme position by displaying an unwarranted zeal to defeat the right to maintenance of women who are unable to maintain themselves. Stop. The written submissions of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board have gone to the length of asserting that it is irrelevant to inquire as to how a Muslim divorce should maintain herself. Stop. The facile answer of the board is that the personal law has devised the system to meet the requirements of women, and if a woman is indigent, she must look to her relations, including nephews and cousins, to support her. Stop. This is a most unreasonable view of law as well as life. Stop. We appreciate that a social worker who has been working in association with the Delhi City Women's Association for the uplift of Muslim women intervened to support who appeared on behalf of the wife. Stop.